Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with a square sheet 8, 5 by 8, 5 inches or trim an 8, 5 by 11 inch page to 8, 5 by 8, 5 inches. Use 70 GSM to 100 GSM paper for crisp folds and avoid wet or glossy stock. Work on a flat surface and align edges precisely so corners meet without overhang. Crease cleanly with a bone folder or the back of a butter knife to make sharp folds. If you need smaller pieces, cut 1/4 off and test a practice fold before proceeding with the main piece. Make a valley fold by bringing the edges toward the center, so the crease faces up. Use a mountain fold when the crease must face down and align edges within 1/8 inch. Always pre-crease before forming complex layers, because pre-creasing reduces tear risk and improves symmetry. Use fingertip pressure along the full seam and then burnish with a bone folder for a flat finish. Repeat precise folding steps 3 times, checking symmetry and adjusting with fingertip pressure to maintain consistent angles. Secure joints with a tiny amount of PVA or craft glue, using roughly 1 drop per corner. Allow glue to set for 10 to 15 minutes before handling to prevent misalignment and fingers sticking. Press finished pieces under 2 kilograms or between books for 1 to 2 hours to flatten seams and ensure rigid contact. Label or varnish with a light spray if you need water resistance without stiffening the paper, and avoid heavy coatings that add weight or block delicate details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.